Wijnand Helfrich works in the medical biology department at the University of Groningen. Together with Edwin Bremer, he conducts research into a new therapy for cancer. Our body consists of cells. New cells are constantly being created while old cells die. This is regulated by our body. However, if this process is impaired, diseases like cancer can develop. Our body contains molecules, galactin molecules, which can persuade cells to commit suicide. Wijnand Helfrich wants to use these molecules to combat cancer.
If we want to hit tumor cells, we can take these molecules, these naturally occurring molecules, but connect to it a targeting domain. We take antibodies that can recognize tumor cells and connect to these antibodies, these effector molecules like galactins, and in this way you get a kind of guided missile that can recognize the tumor cell, and then guide the missile only at that site will explode and destroy the tissue in the neighborhood.
IQ Corporation is a biopharmaceutical company working in the field of molecular antibodies. As such, it develops and sells molecular antibodies for diagnostic purposes and develops antibodies for therapeutic purposes. Galactin is also one of the molecules used by IQ Corporation. IQ Corporation and Wijnand Helfrich's group are therefore ideal partners in this COP project.
The galactin molecule has a number of important and interesting features. One of the functions that the molecule has is that it induces cell death. And of course that is a very interesting feature if you are thinking in the context of cancer. Because cancer is a cell, or cancer is a process that keeps on going, keeps on proliferating, and if this proliferation can be halted by killing the cells, that would be very beneficial.
Just by coincidence we came in contact with each other and decided it would be a good idea to combine knowledge from their end and knowledge from our end to come up with an even better molecule that would be stable and active and could also be targeted.
Of course, at the end of the day, IQ is interested in developing and eventually selling a drug. And I think that with the results that Wijnand and Edwin Bremer have shown us so far, that indeed it could be a promising route.
What we learned from working with small companies such like IQ Therapeutics is that the scientific results you have, that you can translate them in real products. It will only make it to the patient when it really becomes a drug via a company, and which can be sold as a product.